Today we are at Soybird Cooking, and it's an all-vegan cooking class, and we are going to do the Greek traditional food. So come on, let's go cook! Hello!
Hi.
Hi! I'm Ina, nice to meet you.
I'm Cedric. Nice to meet you. Filming.
I'm a vegan chef. I'm vegan the last 15 years. I love to cook, to do yoga, to combine both of the...
At the same time?
It's the water that cashew are soaking. And then we will add the cashew in the blender with fresh water and all the other ingredients that the recipe says. And we will blend it, and this will be our bechamel. So
How long have they been soaking for?
everything,
One day?
No, 2 hours.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Yes. Here we will make kestedakia. Kestedakia are the meatballs. So we will make them with red beans. Okay. And we'll add the spices, cumin, to give it that meaty flavor. Here we will make our fava. So these are the fava beans, split beans and things. And fava is a spread you can find everywhere, in every taverna, and here in Athens and on islands. And nice, gentle.
Just squeeze. Okay.
Yes, don't.
Gentle.
Because then it will be.
Gentle, gentle.
I feel like I'm milking a cow.
Do you need some more salt? I think it's okay. Oh, yeah, a little tiny bit.
I think yes.
Yeah, looks really good. Wow. Beautiful. Ooh, very good job. Ooh, looks good to me. Yay! Yamas! Yamas! Cheers! Cheers! Woo!
Thank you.
It's so good! Everyone did such an amazing job cooking! How do you guys like it?
Amazing. Absolutely lovely. And I'm already getting full of worried
I
about
know! We gotta get more
Yeah.
seconds.
liquid.
Excellent cooking job. Traditional Greek food. Vegan style. We just finished our Soybird cooking class with all vegan, all Greek traditional food.
It was so good. It was so delicious.
The most delicious food in our whole Greece trip so far.
Yeah, definitely.
The instructor was so nice. It went from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And of course, we got to eat everything we made, including a dessert and
took some
appetizers.
home. Yeah.
Yes, we got to take some home. And we had so much fun talking with everybody else in the class. Everyone was so nice from all over the world. And
Yeah, it was, some of the dishes were surprisingly easy to cook, but we each did something different, so some of them looked pretty hard. I don't know. What do you think of yours?
Each couple had like a different dish to make, and then we all ate it together. And we get all the recipes too from this class. So if you are vegan and you are going to Athens, then definitely do the Soybird cooking class.
Definitely
You're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah.
And it was delicious.